Hello, hi guys, good morning. Hello, good morning everyone. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to all? Yes? No? Can I get the responses, please? Am I audible, guys? Okay, all right. So, Pranil, you have got one OTP on your mail. Can you please tell me the OTP? Just check your Gmail ID. You got one OTP security number on this Gmail ID. Please tell me that number so that I can make a login. Thank you. All right. So this demo I have given as an assignment. How many of you have done this demo? Implementation steps for copying the zip file. Copying the zip file from blob storage account to Gen2 storage account using ADF. How many of you have done? Is it good with all? Or I have to show this demo? What is the plan? Have you guys done this demo or I have to show this? What is the plan? Can I get the responses, please? So I have to show this demo. What about others? Others have tried or not? I say something here. Don't be silent. Okay. Okay. You have done with the Excel data. Okay. Okay. You have tried copying the CSV file. All right. All right, guys. So I'll do this demo as of now. Okay. Because still we are in the very beginning of the ADF classes. Okay. But I'll give some demos as an assignments, guys. Please do it. Okay, steps have been given to you. Okay, all the detailed explanations has been given, so please do it as part of your practice. It will be helpful for you. All right, so what I'm trying to do now, I will create storage accounts. Okay, two storage accounts I'll create. Okay, I'll go little fast, guys. Okay, blob storage account I'll create. I'll upload this zip file in it. Gen2 storage account I'll create. I'll just create one container in it. Okay, then I launch data factory. Okay, step by step we'll do. Okay, so let me create a storage account here. I'll take as my RG. I'm quickly creating these things, guys. Okay, storage account, source storage account we are creating here. I'll go inside the container. I'll create one container here. Okay, I'm going here and I'll place my zip folder. Okay, this is my zip folder in my local laptop. I'll come inside it and I'll upload it. Source is ready. Now we'll create destination storage account. Okay, I'm going here and I'm creating a container and this will be my destination. Okay, container. Here I'm going to place my zip file. Here, my zip file will come here. As of now, nothing is there with ADF, using ADF. Okay, I'll go to data factories. I click on create. Okay, I'm creating ADF now. Launch ADF Studios. Once ADF is provisioned, hold on for some time. It is not popping up the ADF. It will get populated. Just hold on for some time. Yeah, now see we got ADF. Okay, launch ADF Studios. Okay, then what it is saying, see, click on manage. You will find it on left side, link services, new. Okay, window will open right side and search type blob storage. Because why we are searching blob here? Our source is blob storage account. Our source is blob storage account. First, we are creating the link service. That's why we are searching blob storage service. We are creating a link service. Okay, click on continue and fill the details accordingly. Okay, this is manage link services. Click on plus new. Search here for blob. Click here, say continue. Name, you can give it as okay, ls1. Okay, blob storage account. Fine. Then pick up the subscription. Storage account name is this one, source storage account. Okay. Test connection. Connection is successful. Click on create. Okay. Likewise, what you can do, you can create one more link service for destination also. So what is our destination? This is this one, data lake gen 2. Okay. So I'll say here ls2, okay, underscore gen 2 storage account. Okay. Give some meaningful names, guys. That's it. Okay. This is my destination storage account. Test connection. Okay. Connection successful. Click on create. Okay. Next, what it is saying, click on author. Okay. You will find author left side under ADF Studios. Okay. You will find it on left side. So if you see here now, this is author. Click on this one. And then data sets. Click on extreme three dots. Data set. This one. Click on this extreme three dots and say here new data set. Okay. And then same again. What you have to do, a window will open on right side. This window has been open on right side. Okay. And in search, type blob storage, click on it, then click on continue. Okay. So we are getting a data set. We are getting what? Data set. Okay. Now here we have to select what file format, like CSV, Excel, JSON, whatever is there, you have to select it accordingly. Ours is zip folder and is containing, okay, in blob storage service, and select delimited text, continue. Okay, so we'll select the delimited text CSV, continue, give the dataset name. We can give the name as ds zip file. Okay, we are moving, we are copying the zip file. Okay, link services is this one. ls blob storage account, that is what we have selected. Okay, import schema as none. Sorry, import schema as none. First row as header. Okay, then simply say here, okay. Then what it is doing, compression type say here zip, okay, deflate. Compression type say here this one, zip deflate dot zip. Click on preview data. If you want to see how the data is like, then click on this preview data. Let us see how that, okay, it's getting failed. Where is getting failed? Get till profile with item type is not supported by source connector. Okay. Yes. Compression level, we have to select it, right? Why it is getting failed? When we are clicking on preview data, it is showing it as failed. Are we missing any configuration here, guys? Select the zip file. We have not selected the zip file here. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Nagendra. Fine. So I think I missed this step. Actually, I went little fast. Okay. So here you have to pick up the source from where you want to, which file you want to copy basically. Okay. So if you are just selecting this root folder, something like this, your source container, then your ADF won't understand what exactly it has to copy. So what you have to do, go inside this container, click on the zip file and say, okay. Fine, this is done now. What I'll do next, okay, I'll make a publish all. Publish all is must, guys. Always make a practice of doing publish all. Then what we'll do, we'll create a next data set. Okay, we'll create a next data set here. Click on manage again. And this data set, we are creating it for what? Okay, link services we have already created. Link services we have already created. Now we are creating a data set. We are creating two link services, one for source storage account, one for destination storage account. Same two data sets we have to create, one for source and another one is for destination. So next, same, click on author data set. Okay, click on extreme three dots of Azure data set. Okay, so come here. Okay, still the publishing is going on. I'll say here new data set. Okay, what is the destination for me? Gen 2 storage account. So I'm selecting this Gen 2. Click on continue. Mine is what? CSV only. Okay. So now here we have to select the file format. Our zip folder is going to copy in Gen 2 and select here delimited text only. Say continue. Okay. Give the dataset name as such you want. I'll say here ds underscore zip file dest. Okay. Destination something I'm giving. This is my link service. Okay. Here is the catch. Now here just you can select the container. Okay, because you want to place it here there is nothing as such inside this container. So just come here and select this container and say okay. Fine. Import schema is none. Take this one. Okay, all the steps I have given, guys, here. Okay, all the steps I have given here. We have to select this one, then we are creating here the data set. Okay, we are setting here all these things, like click on three dots, say new pipe. This is in these steps we are creating the pipelines. Okay, let us finish this first. Say okay, this is done. Okay, publish you can click on later, but it's always a good practice to click on publish immediately once you have done any changes. If you have not done the publish, then if you have moved to somewhere else kind of, then it will not get saved. Okay, once you publish it, then only it will be kind of gets saved and things will work for you easily. Now click on move and transfer. Okay, top under activities, then drag and drop the copy data activity. Okay, so what I'll do here, okay, I'll first create a new pipeline. Okay, I'll click on publish. It's always a best practice to click on publish once the publish notification is pop up here. Okay, okay, I'll say a new pipeline. Okay, now what it is asking me in my step. Okay, I'll give the pipeline name. Okay, then click on move and transfer. Okay, under activities, this is the activities, and here you have to drag and drop the copy data activity. Okay, so here you can get it copy data activity, else search here for copy data. See, you got copy data activity. Okay, just search here, you will get it, drag and drop. Drag and drop in your pipeline canvas. Drag and drop in your pipeline canvas. Okay, to middle pane. This middle pane, we are calling it as what? A pipeline canvas. Okay, we'll say it as a pipeline canvas. Okay, fine. Name, give the name as this one. What name we are giving? We are giving the name as like this. Okay, then next in source tab. Okay, what we have to select source as this one, source data set, right? This is our source data set. Fine. Click on sync tab. This is our sync tab. Okay, click on sync tab. Give the name as what? This one. Okay, give this name. Okay, this one. This is our destination. Okay, file extension is what? CSV. File extension is what? Dot CSV. Okay, click on publish on top. Click here and publish on top. Say publish. Okay, after every single change, we have to publish without fail. Okay, click on publish on top. Again, click on publish. Wait for some time until the publish completed successfully. Okay, note after every single change, we have to do publish without fail. Okay, I'm giving a lot of importance to this, guys. Okay, just move it from here. I've given here the note now. Here the note I have given, that is fine. Click on debug, wait for some time until the debug gets completed. Okay, let us the publish get completed here first. Let us wait until the publish gets completed here first. Okay, publish got completed. Now I'll click on debug. Debug is what? Debug is nothing but run. See guys, when you click here, then this particular control or activities things comes here. General, source, things, all this belongs to this control or this activity. You can call it as copy data activity or copy data control, whatever you want. If you click here somewhere, then it is now your pipeline. It is now your pipeline. This is your pipeline features. These are all your pipeline features. This all are your what activity features. Okay. So you practice automatically, you will understand here. This is very important. Okay, fine. Once it is done, what I'm saying in the next step, click on debug, wait for some time until debug gets completed. Okay, and it should be succeeded and copy the zip file from source to ADL gen to storage account. Okay, fine. Now I'll say here debug. Publish all means just a kind of savings, guys, saving the data, saving the changes, whatever you have done. Like, you are creating link services, you are creating data sets, you are creating pipelines and all. If you want to save it, if you want to build, it's something like saving and building. Okay, super, it got succeeded. It got succeeded. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll come to our destination storage account. Okay, this is our destination storage account. Just take a refresh. Okay, this is our destination storage account. Come here to container and see the file is been copied. The file is been copied. Nice. Okay, see now three files are there in the zip folder. Three files were there. All the three files got copied. So what we have done yesterday, okay, yesterday we have copied only one file. Yesterday we have copied only one file. Only one file. And today, okay, we have copied multiple files. Multiple files. What changes we have done, guys? Nothing, no change, same steps. That's why I have given this one as a assignment. Okay, same steps here also, same steps here as well. Nothing is changed. Only when we were doing this demo, okay, when we were doing this demo, we kept one file in our source storage account. When we were doing this demo today, we have kept a zip file which was carrying multiple files. Same steps we have done, nothing. Always a standard things that you have to create when you're working with ADF. Okay, firstly, linked services. Okay, we have to create both for source and destinations. Then we'll create two data sets. Okay, both for source and destination. Correct? Then we'll create a pipeline in ADF. Then we'll use any control or activity, okay, in the ADF pipeline. Okay, publish, okay, compulsory, then debug. That's it. These are the steps. These are the steps I'm telling on a very high level. High level. Okay. First step, on a very high level, I'm telling these are the steps that we are doing. Okay. Now, see what I'm saying here. Now come to our storage account. This is our destination storage account. Storage account names will vary, guys. Storage account names will vary. Don't get confused here. At the time of creation of these nodes, I have given the storage account name something like this. Okay. A zip folder should be copied with all the files in it. Hence, copied the zip folder which contains multiple files from one storage account to another storage account. Okay, if you want to copy the data from one storage account to another, and both the storage accounts are blob storage, then there no need to have a separate link services to be created. Okay, link services we are creating here two separate because source storage account is blob and destination storage account is gen2. If you are having storage account both source and destination as blob storage only, then we can work with only one link service. There is no need to create a two separate link services. That is what I am saying here in this point. Okay, if we want to copy the files which are in the form of videos, clips, etc., basically unstructured data, then we use the binary format files. Okay, that's it. Now implementation steps to perform metadata activity in Azure Data Factory. Okay, metadata activity. This is also one type of control on an activity that will give us the structure. Of our what files that we are keeping in our source storage account or in our source. So what is saying, create a blob storage account and blob container inside it and paste or upload the below.csv file. The CSV file is already there here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll take this file only in my source storage account. Okay, next it is asking me to create a gen2 storage account, blob container inside it. This is also there. Gen2 storage account is also there, guys. Just now we have created storage accounts, right? Source storage account is also there. Gen2 storage account is also there. This is Gen2 storage account only. I'll go inside the source storage account. Okay, I'll go to the blob services. I click on source container and I'll upload one CSV file, plain CSV file, this one inside the storage account. Okay, this is done. Gen2 storage account is there. Container is also there inside it. Now create an ADF, launch ADF Studios. Okay, ADF is also we have created. We are not going to create again and again like fools. Okay, already it is there. We'll take this ADF only. Okay, now fine. I'll just close this all tabs which we have created in our last demo. Fine. This is the data set we have created. This is the pipeline we have created. Now what it is saying here, okay, launch ADF Studios, author, click on author. How to launch ADF Studios, guys? Nothing here. Okay, you go to home, click on data factory. Okay, this is your ADF, click on ADF and launch studios. Okay, once you click on this one, okay, ADF Studios will get launched in another video for you. Azure Data Factory. Hold on for 1 minute. Let it get launched. Okay, then author, create a new pipeline. Click on three dots and say new pipeline. Give the pipeline name as this one, dynamic pipelines. What we are doing here, we are seeing it as a dynamic pipelines. Okay, this is my author. Okay, I'll click here. See, one pipeline is there already. I'm clicking on these three dots. I'll say a new pipeline. I'll give the name as what? This one, dynamic pipelines. And if you want to hide this window, just click on this properties on top. The window will get hide. See, here we got the name as dynamic pipelines. Done. Next, in activities pane, type get metadata. What we'll do here, type get a metadata. See, I got get metadata. Drag and drop this activity or control in the pipeline canvas. Okay, you have dragged and dropped. Then see, drag and drop, get metadata control at the center. That is pipeline canvas. Click on settings tab. Okay, plus new. Okay, I'll just give the name here. Okay, what name we'll give? Okay, we'll give the name as get metadata. Okay, I'm giving the name as get metadata. Now click on settings tab here. The same thing I have mentioned here. Say here plus new. This one plus new. Then what is your source here? Blob. So search here blob. Just type here blob. Say continue. Then what is the file format we have uploaded? CSV. That is delimited text. So that is what I'm saying here. Choose delimited text. That is CSV. Okay, click on continue. Now give the name here. Okay, I'm giving the name as one like something DS one. Okay, metadata. Something I'm giving here, guys. Link services is this one. LS blob one. Fine. I'm saying here. Okay, the file. This file metadata I want to read. I want to know the metadata of this file. So I have selected this one. Say okay. Okay. First row as header, import schema as none, and then click on OK. The same steps I have mentioned here. See, name DS input. I have given something DS1 metadata. Anything you can give name, guys. Okay. Click on link services. Okay. Plus new. Okay. If you want to create a new link service, you can create here new. Okay. Else you can use the existing link services only. Okay. But I think I have to create a new link service because this link service we have created for zip file, not for this single file. Correct, na guys? Yes or no? So I have to create a new link service actually. I'll click here on plus new. I'll say here ls, okay, 3 ls3 for get metadata. Something I'm just giving with the demo name only, which will be easy for us to understand. This is what I have taken here. Now I'll say the subscription is this one. I'll pick up the storage account. I'll just, okay, mention the, do the test connection. See new, I'm giving the name, subscription, blob storage account carefully, test connection, create. Okay. So I'll say test connection. Okay. And click on create. This is done. Click on folder icon. Okay. My blobcon, select the file here. Okay, ensure the first row as header checkbox. Okay, this is our folder icon. Okay, This file I have selected. Say OK. First one has the import schema has none. Okay, say OK here. Fine. This is the one we have done. No, Nagendra, we can use the link service, but here the file we are considering different one, right? So I think I have faced this issue sometime. So to be on safe side, I have created a new link service. Okay, we can use it, but I think in my last batch, I have experienced some issue with this. Okay, it depends. Okay, so if you are having both the files of same format, I think we can use it, something like that. Fine. Next, I'll go to settings tab. Okay, fill the list. Okay, fill list. What we have to select here, I'll say here plus new in the field list, and then I'll say click on drop box every time and click on plus new every time. Okay, fine. And select the below options for every one box. What we have to select, column count, all these things we have to select here. Okay, right. First, I'm going to select here column count. Okay, then I'll say here plus new. What all metadata I want, that options I'm selecting here. Okay, I'll say here content as message digest, item name, item type. Okay, I'm saying here item name, and then I'm saying here item type. This all metadata I want it. That's why I'm selecting here. Okay, exist last modified size structure. Okay, exist last modified. Whatever you want, you can select this, guys. Okay, size. Okay, I'll take this much only. This 4 5 things I'm taking it here. Okay, these 4 5 things I'm taking. Many are there as such. Okay, you can see here many are there still. Okay, I'm taking few. Okay, see, I'm having structure, add dynamics, all many things are there. I'm just taking this much only. Fine. Then what I'll do after I have selected this all, click on publish. Okay, publish all. Okay, I think I have to delete this one, right? So this is fine now. I'll say here publish all, and then say here publish. Okay, let us wait whether the publish will get succeeded or not. Okay, nice. Publish got succeeded. Good. Then I'll say here debug. What I'm saying here, debug. See, steps are given, guys. If you are not catching it up, okay, no need to worry. Video recordings is there with you. Okay, you can refer the video recordings and you can do it. So click on debug now. What we are doing here, we are getting the metadata of the file, because sometimes in our real-time projects, before we are copying the data, okay, from our source to destination, we may also get to know the metadata of the file, like, what is the structure of the file, what is the file format, how much data it is carrying, when it got copied, what is the size of it, all these things, so that we are getting it from the ADF. See, now it's been done. Okay, click on this input. What it is showing here, see, reference name, DS1 metadata. Okay, field list, column count, all these things we have mentioned here. Whatever is there, whatever we have selected, that all is getting reflected. So go to output here. Here it is showing. See, item name is details.csv. Item type is file. Is it exist? Yes, it is exist. True in our source. Okay, last modified on when it is showing 13th September. Today only it kept. Today only it got kept in our source. That is what it is mentioning here. Size is something 91. It is showing. Column count 1. Okay, all these things it is showing here very easily as part of what? metadata activity, as part of a metadata activity. So we have got these details. We have got all these details with this metadata control. Okay. So we have seen now something like this. See, we the same thing I mentioned here. Wait for some 5 minutes till it's get deployed, and in output tab, see the arrow for inputs and outputs as shown below. This is the arrows for input and output. Okay, it's been succeeded. Metadata means what, guys? Metadata means when the file got created, on which date and time it got modified, what is the file size, what is the file type, etc. All these things we call it as what a metadata. Okay, and the header column we are calling it as what a schema of the file. Okay, fine. So why we use this control is because normally in our real-time projects, sometimes before copying the data of one particular file, if you want to know the details about that file, then we can get all these details with this control or activity, metadata control or metadata activity, whatever you want, you can say it. Fine. Next is we are having, like, implementation steps to perform validation and if condition activity in Azure ADF. Steps to perform validation and if condition activity. Okay. Continue this in same ADF and in the same above pipeline. In activities pane at center, type validation, drag and drop the validation control to center. Name. Okay. I'll just do this demo also, guys. Okay. We'll just take off this demo as well. Okay. So what I'll do. Okay. I will just take this one. Okay, guys, are you guys following me or not? Is it okay? Are you people following me or not? Can I get the responses? See, guys, the people who are very new, they have to practice it. I'm telling. Please, if you are new to ADF, okay, see, I'm telling it again. If you are new to ADF, okay, very new to ADF, then please practice it. Practice it until you practice. Okay, you can't understand, I'm telling. You can't understand what's going on in the classes. You can't understand what's going on in the classes, I'm telling you guys. Okay, because the upcoming labs are becoming more tough. Okay, we are using lot of activities, lot of controls. We are using now, parameterized pipelines. We are using dynamic pipelines. We are scheduling the triggers. Many things are there. Practice it, practice it, you will get it, guys. Okay, the people who are very new, I think they are finding it little difficult. Pranil, I'm going too fast because there is a lot of things to cover, ma. Okay, already, lot of classes has been done till now. Okay, so there is a lot of demos, lot of syllabus that we have to cover. Okay, see what I suggest, okay, if you are finding it little difficult now, refer the videos, guys. Refer the videos. Okay, when you are doing the labs, refer the videos. You are having the videos, right? On daily basis, they are giving the videos. Let me check whether they are uploading the videos on daily basis or not. 1 minute, hold on. Yeah, they are having all the videos, guys. They are having all the videos. See, 5th September, 6th September, 7th September, 8th September, 9th September was not class. Okay, then 10th is there, 10th September, 11th September. Yesterday's recording they are about to upload. Maybe they will upload it today. Yesterday's recording they'll upload it today. So you are having all the recordings, guys. See, from the beginning we are having all the recordings. Refer these recording videos for your labs, for your understanding and all. Okay, fine. All right. So I'll just jump to the next demo now. Okay, what I'll do, I'll type here validation. Now I'll do this demo for validation control. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just type here validation. Okay, this is my validation control. The same thing I have mentioned here. See, in activities pane, type validation, drag and drop the validation control to center, name it as this one. Okay, if file exists, click on settings tab. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just say here drag and drop. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll give this name. Okay, what name? Any name you can give, guys, nothing as such. Okay, I'll just say here validate if file exists. Any name you can give here. I am giving the name as validate if a file exists. No special character should be given, else you will get errors like this. Okay, click on settings tab. This is our settings tab, data set. Okay, I'll take it as this one. Okay, ds.zip file, ds.metadata one. I'll take this one. Fine. Click the knob and choose the data ds link. This will get changed, guys. Dataset name, whatever you have given, that will come here. This dataset we have created in above demo. So above demo is related to this demo only. Okay, timeout. I'm setting it as a this one 7000 means what? This control will keep on validating whether this file is there or not until 7 days. Okay, if you're passing here 7, this is hours, this is days, this is hours, this is minutes, this is seconds. Okay, this is a see seconds, minutes, hours, days. See, nicely I have written here. Timeout, I'm passing it out 7. You can pass anything, not required for you to pass 7. You can pass here something 5 also. 5, okay, 00. What does it means now? It means that until 5 days, it will keep validating the file. Means this control will keep on validating whether this file is there or not till 7 days. Okay, sleep 30 means for every 30 seconds it will check. Sleep 30. I'm saying here sleep 30 means for every 30 seconds it will check the existence of the file. That is what I have mentioned here. Minimum size 10 bytes. Minimum size, I'm saying here 10 bytes. The file size should be minimum of 10 bytes. That is what I have mentioned here. Okay, all the details I have given, guys, here. Okay, means here I want if the file is less than 10 bytes, then don't pick the file. Here, what I'm trying to say here. Okay, if the file size is less than 10 bytes, then don't pick up the file. Now establish a connection between the validation control and get metadata control. Okay, this is our validation control, get metadata control. Okay, that's what I'm saying here. Establish a connection between the validation control and get metadata control. This we have done in above demo by dragging the green line from validation control to get metadata control. So what I'll do first, I'll check file is there or not. If it is there, then I will do the validation. So I'll keep this one here. Okay. First I'll say if file is there, then get the metadata. This is the establishing a connection. That is what I'm saying here. Establish a connection between validation control and get metadata control. This we have done in above demo by dragging the green line from validation control to get metadata control. Okay. Validation control to get metadata control. Okay. Fine. Then publish all. This should get succeeded. Okay. Say here publish all. You can publish all. Okay. Let it get published here. Hold on for 1 minute. It should get succeeded, guys. Then debug. Okay, publish is succeeded. Good. Now say here debug. Okay, what I did, I click on debug. Wait for some 1 or 2 minutes, depends upon the file size. Then it will check whether the file exists or not by validation control. Okay, in the blob storage account, at the source system. If yes, then from get metadata control, it will give us the metadata details of the file. It will give the metadata details of the file. Okay. Yeah, super. See now we have got the output of two controls. Get metadata control as well as valid the file exists or not. Okay, fine. What I'll do now, if I check here in the output, see what it is saying. Yes, the file is existing. It's true. Size of this file is, it is saying something 91. Okay, and it is placed at East US location. I believe we have created the storage account there. Okay, these are the details. Okay, metadata details of the file. Okay, what we have set it for 30 seconds to check. It should not be less than 10 bytes. That is what we have selected. We are asking it to check for 5 minutes, 5 days. Okay, all these things we have, whatever we have mentioned, that is what it is reflecting. Okay, guys, is that clear? Here you should be getting succeeded for details.zfp, for details.csv file, for this file, Pranil, for this file, this one. Okay, this file, details.csv. Okay, what is this, Nagendra? After validation, we need to pass the file name to get metadata. But in our demo, we are selection the file name in both, I guess. Yes, we have selected the file name in both, na? Yes, correct. Next, what it is saying, now remove the .csv file from blob storage account, publish, debug the pipeline. Now here we should get status as time out because we have removed the .csv file from our source, and it will get timeout because we set the timeout as 50 seconds for validation control in settings tab. What we are doing here, we are just removing the file and we are just changing the time also. And it this time it should show that the file does not exist because we have removed the file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come to the source storage account. Okay, so you guys are saying I have to remove this file, right? Now we should be doing the demo with this one file only, like this you guys are saying now. All right, so what I'll do now, okay, remove the .csv file from blob storage account. Okay, I'll just remove this file. I'm deleting this file just to ensure that our source storage account and the controls what we have mentioned here in our ADF is working or not as expected. I'll come here, do the publish, debug the pipeline. Okay, publish is not needed as of now because there is no changes. Okay, let me go with the debug here. Let us see what will happen now. And the expected status is what? A timeout because we have removed the .csv file from our source. Hold on for some time. Next, what we are doing, guys, next step we can do, search for if condition control. Okay, generally we use this if condition control to check whether the file content is really exist or not. Okay, file exists or not, file content is expected or not, etc. For that, to check all these things, what we'll do, we'll use this if condition control. We use this if condition control in, okay, activities, drag and drop, click on, okay, if condition control in general tab. Okay, we'll just do this one by one. This demo is very big actually. See, it's keep on running. It's keep on running. It is actually checking whether the file is there or not. If the file is not there, it will throw an error. Okay. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow, no problem. Yes, sure. Practice it, guys. Your time, your choice. Okay, you can practice it at any time whenever you want. Yeah, we are checking the validation and metadata both for the file, guys. See, it's keep on checking here. So see, it's been 2 minutes 26 seconds. Still, it is not there. Still, it could not able to trace the file. It is keep on checking. Okay, because we have removed the file now. So that is what I'm trying to say here, that this particular control, when we have run the debug in our ADF, it is checking the files and it is not finding it. Okay, is that clear, guys? What I'll do, I'll just stop this demo here, and in tomorrow's demo, we'll start it from here. Okay, we'll use the if condition, and then we'll check whether the file, exists or not in our source. Okay, we use this condition and then we'll do this demo also. Okay, so we'll create a new pipeline again tomorrow from the beginning, or else we'll continue with this one only. We'll continue with this one only. Okay, the labs will be little bit tough, guys, from here onwards. So be regular to classes, read the material and do the labs. That will be helpful for you, I'm telling. Okay, fine. I'll close the class for today. The status for timeout, maybe it will take some time. Okay, I think I'm not sure, because actually we have to set here for 50 seconds actually. Okay, make it to 50 seconds, and then debug it. After 50 seconds, it will throw in timeout. Timeout, you have to make it as 50 seconds instead of this 5 days. Okay, 1 minute, hold on. I'll share the screen. 1 minute, hold on. Okay, here you have to make it as, sorry, this 50 days actually. Okay, this is seconds now. This is seconds. This is minutes, hours, and days now. So I'll say here 50 seconds, or you pass it as 30 seconds here, no problem. Whatever it is. Okay, here I have done the changes. Say publish all, publish. And now if you do the debug, then after 30 seconds, it will say you timeout. Now it's been done now. Now we'll say here debug. these parameters, all these things we are going to do in the upcoming classes, guys. Okay, I'll just say here cancel. Okay, it's done. I'll just take a refresh. Yeah, this one. Okay, I have cancelled here. Click on debug. Publish, I have done right. No, you have to do publish, guys. Every time you have to do publish, keep that in mind. Okay, 24 seconds is done. So we have changed it to 30 seconds, right? See, it got failed. Timeout. See, we got it as timeout because the file is not there. Like this, you have to do. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to all now. Okay. Fine. That's it, guys. So we'll take this up in tomorrow's class. This one from here, we'll take it up from tomorrow's class. Okay. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Okay. Do the practice. Okay. In your convenience, whenever you are having a free time, the sooner would be the better, I must say. Okay. Bye, guys. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.